A phylogenetic tree is constructed by inferring relationships among organisms. For my project, I will be showing the relationships between different kinds of shells. The species involved in the phylogenetic tree are referred to as OTUs, which stands for Operational Taxonomic Units. This is based on differences in their DNA sequences. For my phylogenetic tree, I have the coral, starfish, sand dollar, scallop, smooth bivalve, olive shell, frilled bivalve, conch, and auger shell. Anagenesis refers to the evolution within a lineage over time. Cladogenesis is when the lineage splits into two as illustrated in the picture. My phylogenetic tree is a rooted tree since I can infer the distances between the OTUs and the divergence is known. The outgroup is also what makes the tree rooted and is an OTU that has diverged earlier than the others. In this case, my outgroup is the coral. The coral is one of the earliest known species compared to the others. An internode is a node that shows a common ancestor between two species. The first group I want to talk about is the group containing the starfish and the sand dollar. This group has a recent common ancestor that is illustrated in the picture. This group is also simple and not as intricate as the other ones. The second group I want to talk about is the scallop. This also evolved from a common ancestor that the coral, starfish, and sand dollar evolved from. The scallop is also simple and it leads into the smooth and frilled bivalve. The smooth and frilled bivalve both had the scallop as their most recent common ancestor. The smooth bivalve evolves into the olive shell, while the frilled bivalve evolves into the conch and auger shell. The olive, conch, and auger shell are the most recently evolved in the phylogenetic tree. They are more complicated than the rest of the species, so they are further along in the phylogenetic tree.